There are moments in life when everything feels heavy. Not just your body, your mind, your spirit, your hope. You wake up and it feels like the world is already on your shoulders before your feet even touch the floor. You look around and it seems like everyone else is moving forward while you're stuck in the same place, fighting the same battles, carrying the same weight. If that's you, hear this clearly. You are not alone in this feeling, and you are not defined by it. People see your smile, but they don't see the nights you couldn't sleep. They see your strength, but they don't see the moments you almost broke. They see you standing, but they don't know how many times you had to pull yourself back up when nobody was there to help you. You've been fighting battles in silence. You've been carrying pain that you never talk about. You've been trying to stay strong for everyone around you, even when you felt like you were falling apart inside. And yet, you're still here, still breathing, still trying, still fighting, still hoping for something better, even if that hope feels small. That alone makes you powerful. But let me tell you something you might have forgotten. Feeling down doesn't mean you're weak. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're failing. Feeling tired doesn't mean you're done. It means you're human. It means you've been giving your all. It means you've been carrying more than most people realize. And even now, even in this moment where you feel low, there is something inside you that refuses to quit. Something that refuses to let this be the end of your story. Something that refuses to let the darkness win. That something is your strength, the strength you don't give yourself enough credit for. Because look at your life. Look at everything you've survived. Look at the storms you walked through. Look at the pain you endured. Look at the moments you thought would break you, but didn't. You've been through things that would have destroyed someone else, but you're still standing. Maybe not perfectly, maybe not confidently, maybe not loudly, but you're here. And that means you're not done. You're allowed to rest. You're allowed to cry. You're allowed to feel lost. You're allowed to not have all the answers, but you are not allowed to give up on yourself. Not after everything you've survived. Not after everything you've overcome. Not after everything you've proven. You have more strength in you than you realize, more potential than you've tapped into, more purpose than you've discovered, more life ahead of you than the pain behind you. And I know right now it might feel like nothing is changing, like you're stuck, like you're invisible, like you're tired of trying. But growth doesn't always feel good. Healing doesn't always feel peaceful. Becoming stronger doesn't always feel empowering. Sometimes it feels like breaking. Sometimes it feels like losing. Sometimes it feels like falling apart. But that's not the end, that's the transformation. Pressure creates diamonds. Fire forges steel. Struggle builds warriors. And you, whether you see it or not, are becoming stronger through every challenge you face. So don't count yourself out. Don't underestimate your resilience. Don't forget the power you carry. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are not done. You are rebuilding. You are rising. You are becoming. And one day, sooner than you think, you will look back at this moment and realize it wasn't your breaking point. It was your turning point. The moment you decided that your story wasn't over. The moment you chose to keep going. The moment you discovered what you're truly made of. You are stronger than your sadness. You are bigger than your fear. You are greater than your doubt. You are more powerful than your pain. And even if you don't feel it today, you will feel it again. You will rise again. You will breathe again. You will believe again. You will live again. Because you, yes, you are built for more.